Welcome, here I've got ZTE Nubia N1 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the center here to get access to more apps of this device, and from here we move to the camera app. When we click on this we can easily open it. As you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so to get access to the aspect ratio we have to go to more advanced settings. We can do it by tapping on this button in the left corner at the bottom. As you can see, it shows us more settings. These are the general settings, and we have to change it to the center, to the photo settings here. And from here we have to slide down to the end. As you can see here we have the preview size. This is the ratio of our screen with this camera. And by tapping on this we can pick it. We can pick from full screen ratio, which is now at the background, and we can also pick the standard 4:3 ratio. So this is how it works. It's a little bit shorter here. So this is how it works. That's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.